Bună ziua, sunt la Caravan Salon Düsseldorf, la standul Arwinger, o firmă din Germania, din Hamburg, care produc aceste toalete, de fapt doar partea toaletelor. Este vorba de toalete cu separare și am să vă arăt aici care este ideea. Ideea este așa: cine are casete toaletă Thetford, se poate schimba partea de sus, această parte se poate schimba și se poate pune acest model. Acest model este cu separare, aici este zona de lichid și acolo este zona de deșeu. Prețurile sunt afișate aici, le vedeți în acest pliant. Se poate folosi pe Thetford C200, pe C220 și pe Thetford C250, 260. Deci pe aceste serii se pot schimba aceste toalete și astfel elimini apa, să spunem. Este un produs destul de interesant, nu este foarte ieftin acest sistem. Trebuie schimbat doar bolul și caseta de toaletă. Adică se schimbă și caseta de toaletă. Nu mai este aceeași casetă, este această casetă. Și practic poți folosi baza de la Thetford cu seriile pe care vi le-am spus și atunci se va obține o toaletă cu separator. L-am găsit pe domnul Sven, care este proprietarul și fondatorul acestei companii. Haideți să aflăm mai multe de la dumnealui.
Yeah, hi, I'm Sven from the company Arwinger. I founded the company in 2012, but in 2021 I invented the separation toilet, a conversion kit for Thetford toilets. So we are converting your water toilet or chemical toilet into separation toilet by just exchanging the cassette and the upper part, the inner part here. Separation toilet means you don't need any water, you don't need any chemicals, and you don't smell anything, and you don't have to search for any dump station. You can just use it even without water. That's a very important thing, and that's a main purpose, to don't waste water and chemicals. So if you want to have a closer look here now, this is the Thetford 200, this is the 220 at least, but the socket is the 200 version. So what we are doing is we can convert nearly all versions of the Thetford toilets, especially the 200, 220, 250 and 260. In this version we changed the whole part because the bowl of the 200 version is sealed, so we can't take it out of each other. So we are delivering and converting your 200 version into a 220 version. If you look into this toilet, you'll see in the front part it's number 1 going in, the P. Number 2 is going out in the back side. So here we just distinguish between the two parts already. And in our version we really exchange also the cassette itself. So the cassette is separated as well. In the front you got number 2, the solid stuff, in the back, in a plastic bag or in a reversible plastic bag. And with the pipe you got number 1 in here, which will last into 7.7 liter container, which means you have 25 usages in average, depending on the beer consumed. You can also just exchange that, and you can just put this away. So by dumping the urine wherever you want, in any toilet, on any restroom, on the autobahn, wherever you see it, if you have a restroom, you can just dump the toilet. You don't have to search for any dump station. So it's a kind of getting more freedom in releasing your stuff. The hot stuff you can just bin in any waste bin, so standard wasting. So what we put into the hot stuff is beside the bag is something like sawdust or coffee ground or something which is taking out the moisture out of the hot stuff so that it's drying out and not smelling anymore. Despite the version of the 200, we have there the 260 version, which you have in your Cartago, and we have the 220 version as well, which is nearly this model here. Yeah, the Thetford toilets. This Thetford, Thetford, yeah.
Okay.
And you can do it on your own. Because you don't need to have someone else. We have implementation partners in Germany and in the whole Europe, in UK, Switzerland, Austria, France, Spain, Scandinavia's coming now very soon. But you can do it on your own as well if you like to. Because it's only a couple of screws. You just take it off, take it apart, put our part inside, just exchange the cassette, and you're done. It's about 30 minutes at least.
Thank you very much for your information.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you. Bye-bye.